In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive syncing local folders on Windows 11. If OneDrive is currently backing up folders like desktop, documents, or pictures, and you want to stop that behavior, Windows 11 gives you a simple way to do it directly from the OneDrive settings. This is useful if you'd rather keep certain files stored only on your computer, or if you want more control over what gets synced to the cloud. To begin, look at the taskbar notification area, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen, and click the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons first. Once the OneDrive panel opens, click the gear icon to open the settings menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This will open the OneDrive settings window where you can adjust how syncing and backup work on your PC. On the left side of the window, click the Sync and Backup tab. This section is where OneDrive manages the folders it automatically protects and syncs. Next, click Manage Backup. You'll now see the folders that OneDrive is currently set to backup. Common examples include desktop, documents, and pictures. Find the folder or folders that you no longer want OneDrive to sync and turn the backup option off for each one you want to stop. After you do that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. If you're sure you want to stop the backup, select the option to stop backup. You may also be asked where you want to keep your files. Depending on your preference, you can choose to keep them only in OneDrive or only on your PC. Take a moment here to read the choices carefully, since this affects where your files will remain available after the backup is turned off. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. OneDrive will apply the change and stop syncing that folder. And that's it. You've successfully stopped OneDrive from syncing the selected local folders on your Windows 11 computer. If you ever want to re-enable backup later, you can return to the same sync and backup section and turn it back on. Just make sure to review your storage preferences so your files stay exactly where you want them.